Episode 8. Author's point of view. Cook accidentally pushed tea and he fell from the staircase. June came there and saw this. He saved tea and misunderstood Cook. He slapped him harshly and made him kneel down on the backyard. Jimin took the slap on himself in attempt to save Cook. June came blind in anger. He wasn't listening to women. Yoongi came there and protected Cook. He got high fever because of fear. Yoongi took care of him. When other Hangs got to know about this, they became mad on June. But he misbehaved with them and told them to stay away from this matter, which obviously hurted them. At the midnight, T came to Yoongi's room and talked with him 15 minutes, then left. In the morning, Yoongi informed everyone that he is going to send T back to the orphanage. June tried to stop him, but he didn't listen to anyone. Let's see what happens next. Yoongi, Hyang, I'm going, shouts T. T came there. Yes, sir. Yoongi, let's go. June held his hand. T isn't going anywhere. He will live here with us. Yoongi removed his hand. T has to go. He can't live here with us. T, wait outside for me. I'm coming. T, okay, sir. Left. June shouts, T, stop right there. You aren't going anywhere. T stopped and looked at Yoongi, who signaled him to go. He nodded his head and left. Yoongi certainly looked at him. Stop shouting, June. Yesterday you slapped Cookie for manners. I can also slap you for the same reason. You can't shout in front of your Hyang. Yesterday you shouted on everyone, even Jin Hyang too, who was only trying to make you understand your mistake. Yesterday, somehow I controlled myself, but today I'm not in any mood of controlling. If you dare to raise your voice one more time, then trust me, you won't be able to speak next word. You know me very well. I won't give any fake warning. June held his hand, then slapped me, but please don't send him away. You know how badly they treated him. Please, his wound is still raw. Yoongi, you should think about this before. Because of him, there is dispute in our family. I have sympathy for him, but I can't ignore Cookie. I won't let anyone to hurt my Cookie, not even you two. Removed his hand and left. June went to Jin. Jin Yang, please stop him. He is doing so wrong. Jin, what can I do in this? You did what you think is right. Now he is doing what he thinks is right. You yourself told us to stay away from this matter. Sorry, now I won't say anything in this matter. Left. June shouts, Hyang, please don't go. You are my last hope. Hyang. Hobie put his hand on his shoulder. You should think about this before. Now nothing can happen. Sorry. Left too. Meanwhile, with Teki, Yoongi was driving the car. T was sitting on back seat and thinking about something. Yoongi was looking at him time to time through the mirror. T in mind. Now he will be happy. Nobody can hurt him. Arthur, confused, don't worry. Let's go in flashback. Flashback started. It was night time. Cookie still has high fever. Hobie gave him shot. He was sleeping peacefully in Jin's room. Jin was stroking his hairs while looking through the file. He noticed T, who was standing outside a door frame and peeking inside the room. Jin smiled. T, come inside. What are you doing there? T came inside. Yes, sir. Jin, what happened? Do you want anything? T slowly shook his head. Nothing. Jin, do you want anything? T again shook his head. No. Looked at Cook. Jin noticed his hesitation. He will be fine soon. Don't worry. Hobie gave him shot. T, okay. About to go. Jin, T, can you do my one work? T happily looked at him. Finally, someone gave him work. Yes, sir, tell me, what should I do? Do I clean this room or bring water for you or anything else? Jin smiled. Nothing like this. I have to give Jimin milk. He must be studying. Tea. So you want me to give him a glass of milk? Okay, I will give him. Jin, no, I want you to stay here. I have to talk with Jimin. I can't leave Cookie here alone. So sit here on my place and keep stroking his hairs like this. He loves when someone strokes his hairs. Tea. Okay. Jim ruffles his hairs. I will be back soon. Left. T looked at Cook's red cheek. I'm sorry, master. Because of me, sir slapped you. But trust me, I tried to stop him and tell him the truth, but he didn't listen to me. I wanted to save you, but because of my stupid leg, I couldn't walk. I'm really sorry. Because of me, he scolded you. Because of me, he fought with other sirs too. You called me bad Tata, right? I'm really very, very bad. I don't want to ruin your family's peace. This family is so sweet. You gave me everything. I became so happy after meeting with you all. I don't want to bother any of you. What happened? You can happen again too if I stay here. So I decided to leave from here in the morning before you will wake up. I will go back to my orphanage. I won't disturb you again. You can happily live with your family. Please forget bad Tata, master. Tear dropped on Cook's face, which he quickly wiped it. Jin came there with a glass of milk. He saw Tea was talking with Cook's sleeping figure. He was feeling guilty. Jin knew this very well. That's why he left him alone with Cook, so that he can talk with him. Jin went to Tea and put his hand on his shoulder. Jin put his hand on his shoulder. Tea quickly wiped his tears and stood up. Yes, sir. Jin, are you all right? Tea smiled. Yes, sir. Jin gave him a glass of milk. Good. Now take this. Tea took the glass of milk. You want me to give him? Okay, I will give him. Happily about to go. Jin held his hand. Tea, it's not for Jimin. I already gave him. It's for you. Tea, for me? But I already had my dinner. Jin, I know that it will give you strength and help you to get peaceful sleep. Now drink it fast. Tea didn't say anything. He only looked at Jin with teary eyes. He was overwhelmed to get this much love and care. Tea said in mind, these all are so nice and sweet. They take care of my small things. They didn't let me feel that I'm not the part of their family. Because of me, today master got slapped and fell sick. But no one blamed me. But still no one blamed me and got angry. Everyone talked with me lovingly. The family who gave me food, shelter and love. I can't be become the reason of their ruining. No, I don't deserve this. It will be good for everyone that I will leave from here. Yeah, that's right. Jin shook him a little. Tea, what are you thinking? Drink it fast and go to your room and sleep. It's already very late. Have you eaten your medicines, right? Tea looked at him and gulped the milk. Yeah, doctor sir already fed me medicine. He put some ointment on my food too. Now it's not hurting. Jin smiled. That's good. Tea, good night sir. Left. Tea Street came to Yoongi's room. His door was opened. He was doing something in his laptop. Tea slowly locked the door. Tea locked the door. May I come in, sir? Yoongi looked at him and closed his laptop and put it on side table. Come in. Tea came inside and closed the door. Sir, can I see something? Yoongi, but first sit here on the bed. Don't put pressure on your leg. T, in mind, he still care for me. Yoongi, T, where did you lost? Tell me what you wanna say. You don't need to hesitate. T, sit on the bed. Thank you, sir. I wanna say sorry to you. Yoongi, sorry, but for what? T, whatever happened today, it's all my fault. I'm really sorry. Yoongi, it's all right. It's not your fault. In family, disagreement and arguments are normal. There is nothing to worry. T, sir, I want something from you. Can you fulfill my one wish? I promise. After that, I won't ask anything, please. Yoongi, tell me, what do you want? I will try to fulfill it. T, I want to go back to the orphanage. Can you please drop me there in the morning? I will go there by myself, but I didn't know there's route. Yoongi, shocked. Orphanage? You wanna go there back? T nodded his head vigorously. Yes, I wanna go back. Yoongi, but why? Do you have any problem to stay here? Did anyone say anything to you? T shook his head vigorously. No, nobody said anything to me. Everyone is so sweet. They all took care of me. Yoongi, then why do you wanna go there? T, because I miss them. Light, I can't stay here for forever. It's not my home now. Orphanage is right place for me. That is my real home. Yoongi, certainly. Now tell me the real truth. I want an honest answer, T. T, look down. This family gave me everything. I never expect I will ever get this much love in this life. You all make my life beautiful. I don't want to become the reason of family dispute. I don't want to become the reason of bitterness in your sweet relation. I won't be good for everyone if I will return to orphanage for forever. Yoongi, stunned to hear this. Do you know what are you saying? What does it mean? T, yes sir, I know it means very well. I won't get enough food to eat and water to drink. I won't get love. I will get lots of beatings. I know everything. Yoongi, then also you wanna go there back? T, confidently, yes sir, I wanna go back there. Yoongi, may I know the reason? T, whatever happened with me, I will accept it to think as my fate. I will be happy because at least I won't be become the reason of anyone's tear and sorrow. Yoongi, you are talking like old age man. This much maturely talk doesn't suit on your baby face. You aren't going anywhere. Go to your room and sleep. T wins. Please, sir, you want an honest answer, so I told you everything honestly. Now you can't back away. You have to fulfill my wish, please. Yoongi, think something. Okay, fine. Tomorrow morning I will take you there. T happily. Thank you so much, sir. But Yoongi, now what happened? T, what if others sir won't let me go then? Yoongi, don't worry about them. I will handle them. Now go to your room and sleep peacefully. Today is your last night in that room. T happily. Thank you so much, sir. Left. He happily went to his room after closing the door properly. Flashback ended. Yoongi stopped the car and looked at T, who was still lost in his thoughts. Yoongi, T, we reached at the orphanage. T, this early? Looked outside. Oh yeah, now I have to leave. Thank you so much, sir, for everything. I will always remember you all. Stepped down from the car with heavy heart and teary eyes. T waved his hand in air. Bye. Yoongi, you go inside first. I will go after you. T, okay. Walked inside the orphanage with terrified eyes and trembled feet. He came inside the hall and saw Mrs. Lee was shouting and beating a girl who was cleaning the floor. His heart skipped a beat to see that he knows very well now what's going to happen with him next. Good morning, ma'am, said while shivering. Mrs. Lee turned to him. Tiang, oh, finally you came here. We only gave you one work to do to satisfy his needs, and you couldn't do that. What a useless boy you are. T started taking back steps. Tried. I did everything which you said, but Mrs. Lee, but you failed. You failed to complete the work which was assigned to you. Now you know this very well. What will we do with you? I'm so sorry. Mrs. Lee, what a pathetic boy you are. You can't do a single thing properly. You are just a burden on us. You only meant for beating, nothing else. She raised her belt and hit on T, but someone quickly held it before it can touch T's soft baby-like skin. When T didn't feel any hit, he opened his eyes and looked at the person. He was none other than Yoongi. He quickly hugged him tightly while shaking. He was very scared. T hugged him tightly. Sir, you came here? Yoongi strokes his hairs. Yes, I'm here. How can you think I will leave you alone? Don't worry, you don't need to be scared. I'm here. She can't do anything with you. T, while tightly hugging him, thank you. Yoongi broke the hug and hid him behind himself. He snatched her belt and slapped her harshly. She fell on the floor. T flinched hard and hugged him more tightly. Yoongi called one of his men inside. Yoongi shouts, Raven! A big muscular man came inside. Raven, yes boss. Yoongi, take him, T, outside and stay with him. Raven, okay boss. Yoongi looked at T. T, go with this uncle and don't go anywhere. I will be back soon. Okay, no need to worry. You will be safe with him. T, oh, okay. Raven picked T in his arms and went outside of the orphanage. After hearing noise, Mr. Lee came there. Mr. Lee, what's this noise? I was sleeping. Looked at Mrs. Lee. Jagya, darling, what happened to you? Made her stand. Mrs. Lee, he slapped me. Mr. Lee angrily went to Yoongi. How dare you to slap my wife? Who are you? Don't you know how to behave with women? I won't leave you. Yoongi, you guys are too noisy. I hate noise. I'm a very peaceful guy. Shoot on his leg. Mr. Lee fell on the floor. Blood started flowing from his leg. Mrs. Lee ran to him. Jagya, are you alright? Yoongi, wow, such a peaceful, melodious music. My ears love this music. I want to listen more. Shoot on his another leg. Mr. Lee, Mrs. Lee, are you a psycho? Yoongi, nah, I told you na, I'm very peaceful guy. I love peace and want to listen only peaceful music. Do you want to listen more? Mrs. Lee scared. No, please. Yoongi, shoot on his upper thigh. Oops, sorry. You did too late. Mrs. Lee, what do you want? Why are you doing this with us? What wrong we did with you? Yoongi, what wrong you did with me? You can't even think about to do anything wrong with me. Bend down to Mr. Lee's level. I respect everyone, not gender. I treat everyone on the basis of their behavior. Trace his on his forehead. If I want, then I can end your life here, but you don't deserve this much easy death. After all, you ruined so many innocent children's life. You both played with their life. You can't deserve an easy death. Your sin is very big. He showed both of them on various places and made sure they won't die easily. After that, he went outside to check other work. He told his two men to keep their eyes on Mr. and Mrs. Lee. Yoongi came outside and welcomed by lots of girls. They all hugged him tightly. They all were between 5 to 18 years old. Yoongi happily hugged them too. Yoongi looked at his men. Is there anyone left inside the building? Men 1. No boss, we rescued everyone. There were only 350 girls. Yoongi then also checked twice and made sure no one is left behind us. I did arrangement in our school. Carefully take them there. Inform me after that. Men 1. Okay boss. Yoongi to girls. Now you all are free. No one can force you to do things. Now you can do whatever you want. I am sending you in my school. There were lots of other girls and boys too. You can live with them. My staff will take care of your all the needs. There you will get better life. Okay, now go with them. Eldest girl, we are really very thankful towards you. How can we repay your debt? Yoongi smiled. To take care of your youngers and become independent. Now go. New and happy life is waiting for you all. Girls lived with Yoongi's men. He went to T, who was standing and somewhere with the headphone and watching girls. Yoongi removed the headphone. T, what are you looking? T, sir, where are they going? Yoongi, in new place where no one can torture them. They will do fresh start of their life. T, okay, about to go. Yoongi held his hand. Now where are you going? T, with them. I'm also part of them, na? I should also go with them. Yoongi, no, you aren't going with them. I did your arrangement somewhere else. You will stay there. T happily looked at him. Where? Yoongi, you will see by yourself. To be continued. Arthur's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. How was the twist? It's nothing. Real mystery is going to start now. From next episode, you will find the mystery in every single episode, and you have to join the link to solve this mystery, which will solve at the end of the series. Curious to know? Have some patience, you will know everything soon. You wanna watch long episode but you don't wanna bother your finger to click on the like icon. How will it work? Don't you wanna return something back to me? So don't become lazy and press the like icon. At least 300 likes should be on every single episode. Otherwise you won't get long episode more. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.